Welcome to another episode. Today we'll be talking about the Akinci, the heavyweight drone from Turkey that's set to revolutionize long-range, unmanned aerial attacks. The development of the Akinci began with the goal of creating a combat drone capable of handling highly complex missions by combining operational autonomy, firepower, and reconnaissance capabilities. Its first flight took place in December 2019, and since August 2021, the model has been in active service with the Turkish Armed Forces. With a maximum takeoff weight exceeding 5.5 tons, this drone can carry more than 1,350 kilograms of weapons and sensors. Its design includes two turboprop engines, satellite communication systems, a synthetic aperture radar, a collision detection radar, and an advanced electronic warfare suite. All of this gives it an impressive range of 7,500 kilometers or roughly 25 hours of continuous operation, with a cruising speed of 280 kilometers per hour. The Akinci was one of the first drones to launch cruise missiles, solidifying its place as one of the most advanced aerial platforms today. Since its introduction, it has been used in various military and humanitarian operations. For example, in Operation Claw Lightning, the aircraft was deployed to neutralize PKK positions in northern Iraq. It also played a crucial role in humanitarian aid efforts after the devastating earthquake in Turkey and Syria in 2023, with 9 Akinci drones mobilized to map affected areas and support search and rescue operations. Additionally, it was involved in locating the wreckage of a helicopter that was carrying Iran's President Ebrahim Raisi, which crashed in a remote area of Iran. However, it's not invincible. In 2025, an Akinci was shot down in Libya by forces loyal to General Khalifa Haftar. One of the drone's latest milestones was its long-range attack test with supersonic missiles. On November 13, 2024, Baykar announced the successful testing of the IH-230, a supersonic missile developed by Turkey's Roketsan. During the trials, 2 missiles were launched from the Akinci at targets 150 kilometers away, striking them with precision. This capability allows the drone to execute strategic attacks without exposing itself to enemy defenses, marking a significant advancement in unmanned aerial warfare. The IH-230 missile features GPS and inertial guidance, with a solid rocket motor that propels it to supersonic speeds, while its rear fins provide stability and precision during flight. It can also be equipped with different warhead types. But this isn't the only long-range weapon integrated into the Akinci. The drone has also tested the Talonai IR, an infrared image-guided bomb capable of hitting targets up to 80 kilometers away, as well as the IHA-122, an air-launched supersonic ballistic missile with TV and laser-guided variants. Beyond its strike capabilities, the Akinci is equipped with an AESA radar, signals intelligence systems, and satellite communication, making it a valuable tool for both attack and reconnaissance missions. The drone also plays a key role in suppressing and destroying enemy defenses, neutralizing radars and air defense systems without requiring manned forces to enter hostile airspace. The Akinci's success isn't limited to Turkey. Several countries have acquired or expressed interest in the drone, further solidifying Turkey's position as a major exporter of unmanned combat aerial vehicles. As combat drones continue to evolve, an important strategic debate arises. Is it better to invest in large, heavily armed drones, or in swarms of smaller, cheaper, and stealthier drones? Both approaches have their advantages and drawbacks. Larger platforms like the Akinci offer greater payload capacity, allowing them to carry a wide variety of weapons, sensors, and intelligence equipment, maximizing their versatility in combat. Their extended range and endurance also make them ideal for long-distance strategic missions. Besides attack operations, large drones like the Akinci can be used for reconnaissance, surveillance, electronic warfare, and enemy air defense suppression. However, heavyweight drones have significant disadvantages. They are easier targets for air defenses, as demonstrated in 2025 when an Akinci was shot down in Libya. Another drawback is the high cost. Developing and maintaining such drones requires substantial investment. Additionally, large drones need runways, specialized hangars, and advanced control stations, which can limit their mobility in war zones. On the other hand, smaller, stealthier drones offer a lower cost and higher production scalability. Because they are cheaper, they can be mass-produced and used in swarm attacks, overwhelming enemy defenses. Their reduced size and stealth features also make them harder to detect and intercept. They are more flexible and mobile, with the ability to be launched from vehicles, ships, or even by soldiers in the field. Smaller drones are also ideal for covert operations, such as reconnaissance, espionage, and surgical strikes on high-value targets. However, they come with limitations. Their reduced payload capacity restricts the types of weapons they can carry, and their shorter range limits operations to closer distances. Additionally, they often rely on real-time communication with operators, making them more vulnerable to electronic warfare and signal jamming. Given the pros and cons of large and small drones, what is the best model for the future? The ideal scenario seems to be a hybrid approach, where large drones like the Akinci act as motherships, coordinating swarms of smaller, stealthier drones. This concept could shape the future of aerial warfare, combining the best of both worlds, the firepower and intelligence of a large drone with the agility and lethality of smaller ones. In an increasingly digitalized battlefield, these two types of drones will likely operate together, complementing each other to create a dynamic and adaptive operational environment. The Akinci represents a game-changer in combat drone technology. With cutting-edge capabilities, long-range endurance, and a diverse arsenal, it is redefining the role of unmanned aircraft in modern warfare. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe now and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any updates.